My name is Jason, and this is a quick tutorial on how to make a classic Japanese dish, sushi. There are many different types of sushi, but today we'll be making one called makazushi, which is where the rice and filling is on the inside and the seaweed or nori, the wrap, is on the outside. Let's get started. Today we're using sushi rice, which is a short grain rice, high in starch. Now starch, as we all know, is a complex sugar, and the process of cooking this, we're just going to do the absorption method by putting equal amounts of rice to water, and as it's cooking, this will be slightly sticky, which is exactly what we want. How it does that is by hydrolysis. The water interferes with the molecules, breaking down the complex sugars, making it sticky, which is exactly what we want. So let's get started. Use an appropriate sized pot. Equal parts rice, equal parts water, and let's get going. Now our rice is ready, the starch is broken down, and as you can see, it's given us a lovely sticky rice, which is exactly what we want for sushi. We'll be making two different types today. One is a more traditional style, which is salmon and caviar, and the other is an adaptation of this recipe to Australian tastes. Today we're using chicken schnitzel and bacon. As you can see, this is a lovely brown coating on this schnitzel. The process it's undergone to get that brownness is called dextrinization. This is a food property where sugars or starch has been exposed to dry heat, which causes it to brown. Okay, now we've got some of these. We've got our ingredients. To roll the sushi, we need a sushi bamboo mat. These are quite common. You can get them at Coles or Woolworths or your local Asian store. Next, you will get your bamboo rolling mat, sushi mat, and wrap it in Glad wrap. This helps so the sushi doesn't stick, and so you keep it nice and hygienic. Now we've got all our stuff, let's wrap our sushi. Okay everyone, now we've got all our stuff together. Next, we're going to roll our sushi. So here's our nori sheet, which is a seaweed sheet. You'll notice one side is much more shiny than the other. You need to make sure the shiny side stays down on the mat. So remember, we've got our mat Glad wrap for hygiene and so it doesn't stick. My hands are clean. Remember hygiene and safety always, people. My hands are clean. We need a bit of water just to make sure your hands are a bit wet and not sticky. Next, we're going to put our rice down on the nori sheet. And you're going to stay about a centimetre away from the edges. Now you've got your rice on your nori sheet, you want to put your fillings in the middle. Now we're ready to roll. I'm going to just turn it a little bit slightly so you can see what I'm doing. This bit's crucial, that you want to be firm but gentle. You want to squish the rice and filling together, but you don't want to break your nori. So first of all, it's up and over, and I'm going to squeeze gently but firmly. Roll slightly and press again. Roll again. And I'm squeezing gently again. Because of the moisture in the rice, the nori will stick together. And that's how we roll sushi.